So for if you're on a, you have a platform that you want to communicate, there's all those different elements, and it's sort of like, yeah, like one of the solutions that go in tabs, like, for example, post hog or someone like that. Or you do those tiles like clerk, but I like this one I think is really good when you want to say something as well in there, right? Like communicate something as well. And I think that, sometimes it makes sense, sometimes it doesn't, but I think in this case it does. And it looks really cool. It's a really cool element. Right. So they show me, yeah, they go for those companies. This element I don't like that much. This one I love. Then we have a big quote from an important person, I'd say. Right. So from Chef, co-founder of Chef. Yeah, it's a nice quote. What I'm thinking is, and then they have that CTA in here, like a footer CTA and the resources. So now that I go through this, is like, so you sort of tell me what it is. So that's good. The differentiation, I understand, is like the companies that use you in the scale and speed. That's what you wanted to communicate, right? So here we go with, like, that manifesto, which I think, like you go for that differentiation, okay, but I don't really love this element, I have to say, this particular one. Then I love this one, communicating what the platform does. So we say what it is more, so you give me some sort of like, yeah, like deeper explanation of how what it does. And then there is a quote. I mean, what I'm missing is probably how it would feel to use it. That's sometimes hard to communicate, but sometimes you can, like, show the, you can show the APIs, right? Like have something like the integration, like what it typically you can combine. Does it work with my stack? But I would, assume that it should work with everything, you have. But does it work with my stack? You can combine it with, showcasing how the product feels, right? So if you have that tab with like code, those different tabs, section integration section with different tabs for different, SDKs, for example, or different, yeah, in this case would be maybe APIs or something like that. That would be valuable, I think. They do touch on, yeah, so like that part that you don't really show me how it feels necessarily, so that I'm missing here perhaps.